Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
Antitheft keyless entry systems.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Lockly Secure Pro Latch Edition Installation Guide, PGD 628W. This procedure will assist you with installing the lock set step by step. Installation generally takes less than 30 minutes. If you have any questions, please visit lockly.com/support or call 669-500-8835 for help. Let's take a look at everything in the box. To complete this installation, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, an optional flathead screwdriver, a ruler, a pair of needle nose pliers, and an optional drill with a 1/2 inch drill bit. Let's start now. Preparation. Remove any existing lock set from the door. Prep the door if necessary. Measure and confirm your door thickness is between 1 3/8 of an inch to 2 inches. The cross-bore hole must be 2 1/8 of an inch diameter. The edge bore hole must be 1 inch diameter. The back set should be 2 3/8 of an inch or 2 3/4 of an inch. Install the lock set. Measure the back set and select the correct lock bolt. For 2 3/8 of an inch back set, install back set F1. For 2 2/4 of an inch back set, install back set F2. Before installation, please note that the curved surface of the latch bolt must fit. Install the dust box, I, and the strike plate, H, to the door jamb using 2 screws, G. Peel off the paper layer of the adhesives from the back of the wired sensor, AA, avoiding the door strike plate. Congratulations, this concludes the installation of the Lockly Secure Plus Latch Lock Set, Lockly app from the App Store or Google Play first. Register and/or log into your account and follow on-screen instructions on how to connect to Secure Link Wi-Fi hub to complete the setup.
If you lost or broke your car's keyless remote, don't pay a fortune at the dealership for a new one. Dorman has compatible replacements for millions of vehicles, and most can be programmed by anyone in minutes without any tools. Replacing broken or lost key fobs is more than a petty annoyance. Waiting at the dealership can be expensive and time-consuming. With our keyless entry solutions, there's no reason to waste time waiting at the car dealership or paying more than $100 just to get a key fob reprogrammed. Do it yourself and get back on the road. For many vehicles, programming is as simple as following a sequence of button presses. For others, Dorman includes a free, patented programmer. Just plug it in and follow the instruction sequence. Simply enter your vehicle information, find your new Dorman keyless remote, and program it lickety-split. Each Dorman remote is carefully designed to match original appearance and function, with quality construction backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So when you need a new key fob, rely on Dorman so you can program it in minutes and rely on it for years. Fortune at the dealer for millions of vehicles, and most can be programmed by anyone in minutes without any tools. Consume. With our keyless entry solutions, there's no reason to waste time waiting on the road. For many vehicles, programming is as simple as following a sequence of patented programmer. Just plug it in and follow the instruction sequence. New Dorman keyless remote and program it lickety-split. Function, with quality construction backed by a limited lifetime warranty. So when you need it for years.
Do you need another key or fob for your GMC, Chevy, Cadillac, or lots of other vehicles? Well, I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. I'm going to show you how you can do it and save hundreds of dollars over that with the help of Tom's Key Company. Today, we're going to make a spare fob and 2 spare keys for this 2012 GMC Acadia. Now, this works on lots of other vehicles. When your kit arrives, make sure you read through the instructions. There's some important notes here. Things like be sure your vehicle battery is in good condition and fully charged. Make sure you have your things like HVAC and radio and stuff like that turned off, etc. Then we got to come find our vehicle. Here on this one, we're doing a 2012 Acadia. So right here it tells me I need to be in dial position number 1, and there's an alternate dial position of number 8. On the programmer here, it can be a little bit hard, but here's number 1. So I got it set. Be sure you try the primary one first. If that does not work, you can try the alternate position and see if it works for you. We'll just follow along with the instructions. It lets us know that there's timing requirements and some other points. If you run into problems, there's some frequently asked questions back here along with a toll-free number to help out if you're really stuck. All right, to begin, make sure you're in the car. You can have the windows down if it's a hot day, but get all the doors shut, turn everything off, engine's out of the ignition. This is our original one, the one here with our tile key finder. Now it's important to note you must have one working key in order to use this kit to make spare keys and fobs. The engine run for a few seconds, watch for the security light to turn on, and then take one of the new keys to program, put it in, turn it 2 clicks to the on position. This key is now programmed. Let's check that all our keys are working. Here's the second new key, and here's the original key. Okay. Can you believe how easy it was to use this programming device to make 2 spare keys and a spare fob for this GMC Acadia? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
Lost your keys? Again? Don't spend all your time and money replacing your keys at the dealership. Replace your lost or broken remote car key quickly and easily with Keyless to Go. Easy to program on your own with straightforward directions and instructional videos available for many vehicles. We have remotes for most of the vehicles on the road today. Each car key replacement comes complete with batteries and has been pre-tested to ensure quality and functionality. Don't waste your time and money with anyone else. Keyless to Go is your go-to replacement for car keys and remotes.